Hello guys, welcome to a new section on Python. In this section I'll be teaching you how to about Python comments, and in this tutorial we'll be learning about the Python comments, why we use them, and how to use comments in the right ways. And then for comments it is an hint how we make that makes our code readable and also understandable by other developers or for reference purpose. And these are things that we put in our codes for others to be able to know the reason why this thing is done, how the reason why it is done also, and explain why we did it. So there are types of comments. That's the single line comment and the multi-line comment. And for the single line comment, this is the single line comment. Yeah, this here is the single line comment. This here also is a single line comment. And for the multi-line comment, this is it, whereby you can put your hashtag here, so everything on the line will turn to a comment. And also for the line, there is actually no other way for multi-line comments apart from just putting your hashtag here and it will turn to a comment. Then you can also use the triple this to also comment, given that you are not adding any variable or you are not assigning it to anything, so it will print as a comment. And these are words that a Python compiler will ignore when printing out your output. So when we print out this output, it will basically just ignore everything, all the comments here, and even the one that is here, it will ignore everything. And it is also just for, you see, it is also to explain why we did something, and also what the output of the code will bring out. Like for now, the dot remove, here it explains that it removes the specified cat elements in the list, so it will be easier for any developer that will be coming, that will be reading this code, to understand what the line of this code is working for, and for it to know what it will be bringing out. So, and as you've seen the output, there is no displayed word here because it has been turned into a comment. So the uses of comments is to make the code easier to understand by other developers for future reference, and also for debugging in the essence that when there is an error in a code, let's put this, okay, this, let's say this is the error in the code, so we can just comment it out and the code will run effectively. And another shortcut I want to show you guys on how to easily turn a code into a comment is just by highlighting it and pressing your control and the question mark key, and it will easily turn it into a comment. And you can also just press it again and it will turn it back to your code. So that will be all for this section. On the next section we'll be talking more on the on the variables, Python variables, and how to store Python variables and all. Thank you guys.